Hello everyone, welcome to part 229 of Advanced E-commerce Series in Laravel 8. So we will continue working on the import feature that we have started in last video for importing the COD pin codes. Okay, so we have seen that we able to add those pin codes in our pin codes folder. We able to upload the CSV file. Okay, so we can check we able to upload the csv file to the pin codes folder. Okay, so now is the time to convert to get the data. We are going to convert all the rows like these are the rows. We are going to convert them to array so that we can further insert them to our table. Okay, so this is the table. We want to replace all the pin codes here. We will first make it empty, and then we are going to insert the new pin codes. So for that we need to convert our file that we have just saved to the new pin codes folder. We are going to convert this file to the array, and for that we are required one function, csvToArray function we require. And for that function, please open the website. I have already built that function so that we can simply copy this one. So we can open laravel.stackdevelopers.in. This is the website that we are working on. We are making everything online in stackdevelopers.in. We already know. And this laravel.stackdevelopers.in, where we are updating all these kind of things from time to time. We are updating this website for getting the free code that you can able to get. So open this one, csv2array conversion, first link. And after that, so see, this is the website that we are building along with. Okay, so this one we keep on updating side by side online as well. Okay, so from here we can get csv2array conversion function. Just simply copy this function. This function convert the csv columns to array. Okay, so we can copy this one and we can place it somewhere here in this file only, like this. Okay, so you can easily get while searching in Google. Okay, this kind of function, csv2array function. So now see, after uploading the pin codes, we are going to get these pin codes in one variable, and then we are going to convert those pin codes. So I am going to get those pin codes in $file variable, and like public path here, and I am going to get imports pin codes. Okay, dollar file name here, do like this. Okay, so we have the file name here. Okay, so we can get this in $file, and now we are going to fetch the pin codes from the file $this, and we are going to call the csv2array function $file, like this. And this function convert data to array. Okay, so we are going to check it once, that whether we able to convert the csv data to array or not. So here we are going to check pin codes, then die. Let's see, we are going to check here. I am going to attach the csv file and submit, and see, we able to convert all the rows to array. You can see id, pin code, created at, updated at. And if we are going to open this pin code list that we are saving to our folder, you can see that there are 4 columns here: id, pin code, created and updated, and all the rows are getting converted to the arrays, so that we can easily insert that data into our table. Otherwise we can't directly do that. Okay, So you can see that we are easily getting in array. Now it is really easy to save. We know that we can use the for each loop and can save all the data to our table. Okay, so we able to convert it to array. Okay, so now what we can do, I'm going to comment this one now. Okay, so we can see that up till now everything is going fine. So I can take one variable here, like latest pin codes variable, latest pin codes, and I will take the array here. Okay, so here we are going to use the for each loop, pin codes as $key, and here we can take the pin code. We will save all the entries here. Okay, so we are going to take a like this dollar latest pin codes. Okay, so here $key, first one is the pin code. So here it will come like this, pin code. Okay, so created at updated at dates, we can copy from the CSV file, or we can simply create of our own. It's our choice. Okay, so if we want to copy, if we want to create of our own, then it is easier. Okay, so we can simply create the date, like creator add and updater add. Whenever user will import, we are going to fetch the date from the server. Okay, ymd, this is the database. Okay, so database format, database date format. Okay, always use this format, don't use any other format, otherwise MySQL database will not accept that. So now after this one, we are going to empty the table first. Okay, db table, and make it empty first. COD underscore pin codes is our table. Okay, so we can make it empty, or we can delete it. Okay, and we can create it once again, because because if we are going to make it, we are going to delete all the columns. It will start from the next row. Okay, so it is better that if we will delete and create the table once again. Okay, so we can do, we can simply delete it, and like this, and we can now see COD pin code delete, and now we can update it. We can alter table COD underscore pin codes, auto increment, we will start with 1, auto increment, then again db table COD pin codes. Now we are going to insert all the latest pin codes. Okay, so now just simply we are going to use that message, like COD pin codes have been replaced successfully. And here session flash, process message $message return redirect back. So let's see, I'm going to refresh here. I'll go back, okay, so that we can start from the scratch. Okay, so I am going to try to do the import for these test pin codes. Okay, so see, I am going to make some changes here, so that I will come to know about the change. Like first one is the 14101, and see, this is the same one. Okay, so let's I'm going to make it empty first of all. Okay, so that we can see the new columns. Okay, now it is empty. Now see, I'm going to click on submit, and we'll see like if we able to import or not. See, db not found, so we are required to attach here use db. So we are going to try once again. I am going back and will refresh here once again, and will attach the csv file. We'll click on submit. Okay, session is also required. We are going to attach session. So once again I will go back and will start the process once again. See here, no, oh, pin code already updated, so I'm going to make it empty once again. So this time I don't want to see any error. And see, I will try to import this one, test COD pin codes. Here you can see it is empty, nothing is there. So I will click on submit. COD pin codes have been replaced successfully. Okay, so here I am going to check it. So see, we able to import the CSV from our file via admin panel. Okay, so here the message also we will it is better updated successfully. Okay, so that if even if it is empty, okay, we able to import that list. Okay, so now see, if we will try up with the new pin codes, if I will give here some other pin codes, like something, I'm going to change the list here. Okay, some of the entries I have updated. Okay, so let's see that if the new pin code list we able to import or not. See here, it's 14101, but in list it is something else. Okay, first 3-4 entries are different. Now we will try to import the new one. This is the new list, and submit. See, COD pin codes have been updated successfully, and we'll click on browse and see the new list we able to import this time. Okay, so in this way we can able to import the data from CSV to the MySql database via admin panel via the Laravel code. Okay, so this is the process that we can execute for the other import functionalities. Okay, so in next video we are going to do that with prepaid pin codes as well, and that we can finish within 10-15 minutes, because we have already created all the necessary functions. Only we are required to copy somewhere. We are going to create the new page, new file, new route. Okay, import controller we are already having. Okay, and that csvToArray function also we are having. So most of the things we are already having, so it will save our time. Okay, so you can also try that once from your end. Okay, create that prepaid pin codes, and if you able to create that functionality, that will be really good. Otherwise I'm going to create it very soon in the next video for you. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.